Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to introduce you to the JBL Tune Buds, the true wireless earbuds that redefine your audio experience. First and foremost, the JBL Tune Buds feature JBL's renowned Pure Bass Sound. With smartly designed 10mm drivers, these earbuds deliver deep resonant bass that allows you to feel every pulsing beat in your favorite tracks. Whether you are listening to music, watching videos, or enjoying podcasts, the sound quality is nothing short of exceptional. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 technology, the JBL Tune Buds ensure a seamless audio experience. This next-generation Bluetooth allows for low power consumption while maintaining high-quality sound. Notably, it enables synchronized audio streaming to each earbud independently, giving you the flexibility to use either or both earbuds. Additionally, you can share your audio experience with a friend, as Bluetooth 5.3 supports streaming to multiple listeners. One of the standout features of the JBL Tune Buds is their active noise cancelling technology, complemented by smart ambient features. This technology minimizes unwanted audio distractions, allowing you to focus on what matters most. With Ambient Aware, you can easily tune into your surroundings, enhancing your safety while on the go. The talk-through feature allows for quick conversations without the need to remove your earbuds, making it convenient for everyday interactions. When it comes to communication, the JBL Tune Buds excel with their 4-mic technology. This feature ensures crisp, clear calls thanks to dual microphones that capture your voice with perfect clarity. With Voice Aware, you have the ability to control how much of your own voice you hear, providing a personalized calling experience. Battery life is another impressive aspect of the JBL Tune Buds. With up to 48 hours of total playtime, 12 hours in the earbuds, and an additional 36 hours in the charging case, you can enjoy your music without interruption. If you find yourself in need of a quick charge, just 15 minutes of charging will provide you with an additional 4 hours of playtime. Lastly, the JBL Tune Buds are designed to withstand the elements, being both water and dust resistant. This durability ensures that you can take your earbuds anywhere, whether you are at the gym, commuting, or enjoying outdoor activities. The JBL Tune Buds are a remarkable choice for anyone seeking high-quality sound, advanced features, and exceptional battery life in a true wireless earbud. Experience the difference with JBL and elevate your audio journey today. Link in description. Thank you for watching, and more products, please subscribe our channel.